Hey, what's up guys? I'm gonna make a quick little review of this leather black belt that I just got from Amazon for $7.99. My first impression of the belt, it's pretty decent, it's pretty sturdy. I was expecting it more like a flimsy, cheaper belt, cheaper leather belt, but it's pretty solid. And the design, it's a pretty sophisticated looking design in my opinion. Black and chrome. I can see myself wearing this with jeans and dress pants. So yeah, not bad. Yeah, I wasn't gonna make a review, but I decided, hey, why not? Since I already have it here, it doesn't hurt to make that quick little review. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show it to you in different angles so you can have an idea. Oh, mine, I had like a little scratch there, but I mean, I don't mind it. $7.99. You know, it's the belt itself. It's pretty decent. I like it. Ooh, my cap's falling everywhere. So yeah guys, so that's the black leather belt. If you're interested, I'm gonna go ahead and leave a link down below. I did get it from Amazon for $7.99. Hey, for $7.99 it's pretty good. Oh, and it even has a good clicking sound. Let's go ahead and put that in there. And when you're ready to release it, just click that little hook up. And that's that. Ooh. Hey, everything's falling down. So yeah guys, anyway, so that's the belt for $7.99 that I got from Amazon. Pretty good belt. So remember guys, we do offer custom made caps, so if you're interested to make your custom caps with your logo or any design, $9.95. Yeah, there's no minimum or anything like that, so you can just purchase one and it's $9.95. Can't beat that deal. Alright guys, if you found this video helpful, go ahead and leave us a like and check out my other videos. I'm gonna be reviewing other little items that I purchased. I went ahead and purchased this watch with the belt. It didn't come with the belt, but it did. The order came together. So yeah guys. Alright, thanks for watching guys.